Hi YouTube, hi Bushcraft buddies. So like my friend here, this is Mrs. Cattail. Okay, I've never actually foraged for this before, but apparently you can eat so many parts of it and everything, so I wanted to have a look and also double check on Google and all that kind of thing. But there's so many parts of this, and there's starch, it's like potato style thing, you know. Clean it, boil it. Okay, this is actual down at the root and everything right at the bottom. So I took this out and, you know, took it right out, and you know, you clean this, boil it, whatever. But there's so many about the place. And down here, guys, okay, there's a part there, stones and that in there, but that's it there. Where I actually am is where the floods were. I noticed yesterday when I was down here that the water had actually receded, so there's so many parts and everything. I'll show you a video of the actual place and everything like that, and so enjoy the wee bit of movie and that. But that was just, I wanted to actually do the little bit of kind of foraging and everything. A couple of things I picked up. Picked a bottle that would be come in handy in a survival situation, and obviously the cattail, okay, and other kind of food what's actually around. So it's good to get out and enjoy it. So stop sitting on the big settee. Bye. You can only enjoy the great outdoors. They say the summer's over, eh? Down at this part, it must have been treacherous. Real nice soggy, that's for sure. Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing well. Well, it's starting to pour rain. I was down here yesterday. I wanted to come down today again. I'm in my combats like yesterday. Show you some pictures. This is exactly where it was flooded and everything. But the water has receded bad. So at the same time, I've got to watch what I'm doing. But I'm looking for my cup in a matter of fact, but I know what trek. But it's nice to actually have a look around here. So I'll bring you back in a wee bit. Today, I actually found a fire extinguisher. Don't know how it got in the water, but yeah, a fire extinguisher. And today, I just noticed there's a brush there, as you can fully see. And look at this beautiful weather. Lovely here. Look at the water. Nice, nice. I can only say absolutely beautiful. See how high the water was in this area. Go up here and do bushcraft or barbecue about this area. My cache is along there. And beautiful. Wouldn't have been like that a few weeks ago, that's for sure. Okay guys, I actually came down here, take a couple of pictures and everything like that, the local area, and the water and that. It's absolutely beautiful, beautiful day. I'm in the shade just now, but I wanted to check up on my cache. Okay, so I put this here on the 26th of June. This was before the floods. And I was given expiry date kind of thing, 26th of June 2022, so a year from the actual date, which I put it in my calendar anyway. And so I wanted to check it due to the floods and everything like that, and I'll show you what I've actually got in there. Okay, I've got matches and so forth in there. I've actually, clearly you can use that as a little container for water or anything, so there's stirring it. Jute twine, I've got toiletry stuff there, got 2 of them. Okay, so got a little knife, I've actually got a candle, I've got some plasters and that actually needs to go in there. The thing is, everything was totally dry, and it's been sitting there since the 26th of June, and clearly we're in August now. I've got cable ties, I've actually got bob and all that, you know. Fork, I've actually got emergency blanket, got a little blade here, yeah, a surgical blade. You can use it for cutting different things, of course, predominantly for food. Put on a wee bit of wood, cut a wee slot, use your cable tie, okay, so it's nice and tight. Got another blade out there. Get the fire going. As you got beans, tea bags, I've got other tea, coffees there. I've actually got the actual Ranger lighter, okay, never lose it. Got another knife there, and I've got my flint and steel. Okay, and last and least, a mess tin. So if there's ever any kind of problems like that, at least, okay, I could actually come down here and I've got something better than nothing. That's the important thing. Normally where I'm standing, the water is actually pretty high up, but it's well low down. Apart from that, get some water. Clear water, very clear water, but I'm going to be boiling it anyway. It's not for drinking because I've got my platypus here, and I fully made sure that it was full before I came down here, because I knew it was going to be hot and everything like that. But beautiful, beautiful. These coffees I've got, they run out on the 22nd of July 2022. So I can check them anytime I want and reblend them if I want, or I deem it need be. maybe that little video will give you an idea, and thinking of how I was thinking, come down here, managed to get something cooking. I didn't actually need to be taking anything with me, and theoretically maybe a cup or so, just little bits and pieces, but maybe it'll give you an idea. So all the best. I hope you enjoyed this. So a little bit of scenery and everything, beautiful down here. Take care.